Oh,
We're recording.
yeah. Is it? Oh. You gonna hold on to this?
It's a beautiful view.
Oh. Oh. The other one did this one to go quick. The big one, the Congo one, it is this one.
Yeah.
So go faster. Oh shoot. Ah! You better hold on. Right, dry your hand on your pants and then grip some more.
And then when you
Going fast.
they're going. Oh, they're going. Yeah, they're there. Okay. Oh, he's going up there. Oh. They're going up there. Yes, they're right there. Oh, hold on.
There, the drips.
Please remain seated throughout the entire ride, keeping your hands, arms, legs, and feet inside the boat at all times. Thank you.
Okay. No, me either. That.
Oh, wait, ready?
Oh man, why my shoe got wet?
Ow, ow. It's on the okay. Oh, no. Ow, it got wet. Oh, that's stupid, huh?
Spit on me.